In the realm of modern pickup trucks, they can hold their ground even against heavy-duty counterparts. Take the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX, for instance. It effortlessly hauls over 3.6 tons. Thus, drivers frequently towing boats, motorhomes, and hefty loads should mull over this suspension upgrade from Logiq. Its pneumatic suspension boasts intelligence, allowing axle alignment in just 2 steps via the official app. There's room for fine-tuning, such as preventing roll on challenging terrains. The creators dubbed the unique sleeve-style air springs as the cornerstone of this system. The suspension comes pre-assembled, facilitating easy installation by users. The AirIQ SD2 version is priced at $800. EGR USA's team has made significant strides in tonneau cover technology, boldly claiming to offer the premier solution on the market, the RollTrac. This innovation boasts an impressive array of features, including 10 international patents. Crafted entirely from aluminum, the RollTrac is paired with an intelligent control unit, capable of withstanding a pulling force of 200 kilograms while ensuring finger safety and automatic activation of lights. Whether navigating desert sands or traversing lush rainforests, the RollTrac fearlessly faces water flows and can be enhanced with a dust seal if required. However, it's worth noting that acquiring the RollTrac for the Ford F-150 comes with a price tag of $2,300. When it comes to transporting bicycles on your car, it's a common headache for many. But for Opel owners, fret not, because the FlexFix system comes pre-installed in the rear bumper of select models. Depending on the variant, this rack can accommodate up to 80 kilograms and 4 bicycles, securely holding them even at speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. When not in use, the FlexFix can be conveniently folded away, allowing full access to the trunk. It's available on models like the Astra, Mach-E, Zafira Tourer, and others from Opel. Interestingly, studies reveal that transporting bikes this way is 20% more fuel efficient than using a roof rack. According to Tesla, their glass car roof supposedly blocks 81% of heat. However, in practice, some drivers have likened the experience to being in a sauna when they exit their cars parked in the sun. This heat buildup can even render the steering wheel too hot to handle. Luckily, there's a relatively simple solution to this issue: full-shape sun shades. The version designed for the Model Y is priced at $400 and includes not only fasteners but also a specialized screwdriver, allowing car owners to easily install them themselves. Thanks to these shades, the interior heats up 85% less. The key lies in their unique full-shade structure, which resembles a bee's honeycomb. The GUNIWHEEL team has recently patented an emergency spare wheel, enabling movement at speeds of up to 8 km per hour, even if the original wheels are obstructed, such as from jammed brakes. Installation is simplified, requiring bolts only, as the team has refined the design to eliminate the necessity for washers or spacers during mounting. The GUNIWHEEL 80 boasts a capacity to support loads of up to 1,588 kilograms. However, there are a few important points to consider. Firstly, these wheels are not suitable for use on public roads. Secondly, a complete set of 4 wheels comes at a price of $920. Surprisingly, the HUMBRA FIREFLY comes in at just $995, which isn't much less expensive. This fusion of an umbrella and an awning is a real game-changer, according to its creators. Unlike your typical beach umbrella that easily wobbles in the breeze, the HUMBRA FIREFLY is built to withstand winds of up to 11 meters per second. It offers a full 360 degrees rotation, is height adjustable, and unfolds in a mere 90 seconds. Opting for an aluminum frame, the hybrid weighs approximately 17 kilograms, making it manageable to set up solo if necessary. And with its expansive 10.6 square meter shade, it comfortably accommodates large groups. The typical American electric car weighs approximately 1.8 tons, posing a challenge as heavier vehicles require more frequent recharging. Fortunately, Indigo Wheels has devised a solution with their lightweight electric car, weighing in at just 549 kilograms. A standout feature of Indigo Wheels is its innovative wheel design. By incorporating wheel hub motors with shock absorbers and energy recuperation, they've done away with the traditional transmission and bulky engine. Consequently, conventional cars now seem akin to golf carts, while Indigo Wheels creations glide like flying carpets. This comes as no surprise considering the company boasts former staff from Audi, Porsche, and General Motors. Venture into the CES trade show, and you'll encounter marvels like transparent TVs and prototypes of flying cars. Amidst these innovations, the AC Future team proudly presents their ETH motorhome. While it may not take to the skies, it does something equally impressive, expanding to offer a generous 37 square meters of living space. Collaborating with renowned Italian experts from Pininfarina, famed for their work with Alfa Romeo, BMW, and Ferrari, this motorhome boasts intriguing specifications. Firstly, it seamlessly integrates both an internal combustion engine and an electric motor. Secondly, the ETH has the capability to generate not just 25 kilowatt-hours of energy, but also an impressive 49 liters of water per day. Though still in the prototype stage, this vehicle is already capturing the attention of publications like Motor Trend. There's a plethora of fascinating products tailored for Jeep enthusiasts, so much so that we could dedicate an entire video solely to Jeep upgrades. However, today's focus revolves around the replacement of the original factory hood. Why stick with the mundane when you can opt for something like the Piranha hood for your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator? This new hood not only exudes style but also enhances ventilation. Priced at $750, the Piranha hood arrives unpainted and without fasteners, yet its installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling or cutting. Would you consider investing in such an upgrade? For perspective, a Chinese company, Changli, was offering a fully equipped electric car for just $900. With some budget remaining after installing a new hood, Jeep owners might consider upgrading their car's hardtop panels as well. These transparent panels, starting at $1,348, are an ideal choice. Crafted from Tufac polycarbonate, they can endure temperatures ranging from 66 to -129 degrees Celsius and are resistant to hurricane-force winds. Tinted to block UV light, these panels can be installed in minutes without compromising noise insulation. And fret not if you don't own a Jeep, the same company produces panels for the Ford Bronco as well. Summoning a tow truck is not only costly but also entails a lengthy wait for their arrival, which can be quite frustrating. Moreover, the installation of tow chains isn't always feasible, and if not properly fitted, they can inflict wheel damage or even pose risks of injury. But what if your car finds itself stranded in the wilderness, with no one around to lend a hand? For such scenarios, drivers should consider keeping Reliancer in their trunk. These are two tracks crafted from thermoplastic rubber with steel cores, offering a soft yet flexible solution capable of supporting loads of up to 7 tons. Reliancer can be effectively used to extricate an ATV or camping trailer from treacherous conditions like ice, mud, or snow traps, all for a modest kit price of $60. Introducing the REVENANT B system, capable of reviving even a completely drained car battery in just 1 minute. A simple command from your smartphone kickstarts the process, eliminating the need to step out of your vehicle. This intelligent system not only initiates the charging but also provides real-time updates on battery temperature, voltage, power, and other vital parameters. If a battery replacement is required, rest assured, the system will promptly alert you. Utilizing AI algorithms, REVENANT B ensures optimal battery conditions, extending its lifespan by up to 2 or 3 years. Compatible with a range of engines, from gasoline to electric, and seamlessly fitting into various vehicles, be it a yacht or a tank. The Rough Country team promises to have your back, even in the darkest of times with their laser light kits. Select from a variety of beam colors via the remote control, ensuring visibility even amidst smoke, fog, or snowfall. Emitting an impressive 1,200 lumens of light, these lasers boast powerful 10-watt LEDs. With waterproof housing and scratch-resistant lenses engineered to prevent water or debris buildup, durability is ensured. Installation is a breeze, taking as little as an hour to set up. A set of 2 lights, complete with wires and remote control, is priced at $250. In today's market, a modern kayak can easily surpass the $2,000 mark, and given people's willingness to invest in quality gear, they might opt for a specialized rack priced at $933. This rack offers the convenience of single-handedly lifting a kayak weighing up to 18 kilograms, thanks to a system equipped with gas shock absorbers. Lowering smoothly to a height of approximately 1 meter from the ground, the expandable supports effortlessly accommodate wide boats. Moreover, the kit includes lockable straps for added security. Interestingly, some DIY enthusiasts have found ways to load more than just kayaks onto these racks. Guard your car's tailgate with this robust locking device, leaving thieves thwarted at every turn. DoubleLock presents an ingenious solution to safeguard your belongings. Weighing in at approximately 5 kilograms, it can be effortlessly installed or removed in just 10 seconds. And for those prone to forgetfulness, fear not, the kit includes 5 keys for added convenience. With the seller boasting a 60% reduction in theft risk, it's no surprise that DoubleLock has already applied for a patent. Secure your peace of mind with this lock for just $143. Some things never fail to captivate: the mesmerizing dance of fire, the tranquil descent of water, and the revolutionary invention of airless wheels. Big Tyre introduces an option tailored for heavy-duty equipment, crafted with the backing of the Australian Coal Association. Yet, Big Tyre's ambition extends beyond mining. They aspire to tailor wheels for military use as well. Among its standout features are the concentric leaf springs, enabling optimal load distribution,